Hello, my name is Landon. There are many things we can buy, and I can get allowance from my mom and dad. It makes me feel happy. So, if I get 20,000 won a week, I will buy snack and invest to soccer card. First, I will buy snack and bread snack. That's because I can eat when I'm hungry. For example, sometimes I'm very hungry. I can eat it and make little food. Also, it is cheap and makes me happy. Snack is 1,000 to 3,000 won. I can eat fast between go academies. I can't study when I'm hungry. Second, I will buy and invest to soccer card. That's because I'm happy when get expensive card. For example, like famous soccer players Sonheung-min and Messi. I can sell expensive card or I can keep it. Also, I'm a soccer fan, so I will buy. I love get soccer player cards. It's in one pack is 1,000 to 3,000 won. I will pay to 5,000 to a week. In conclusion, if I get 20,000 won a week, I will buy snacks and soccer card. Thank you for listening until the end. Don't press subscribe, just press like.